Hello everybody and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana and we are doing our Easter wreath. So with that said, let's just get going and I'm going to show you what we're working with today. We got this 24-inch white wreath. We got this sign which I attached, added on some two little beads. We got different kind of some greenery going here. We also got these beautiful blue geraniums. Yes, we do. And assorted a blue and some kind of tannish yellowish cute florals, and we got our carrots. Yay. Okay, we also got 109-inch turquoise light blue ribbon. With that said, let's get this started. Like again, we are working with some loops. Okay, let's get a small little tail going, like 6-inch and our 12-inch loops. Okay, yeah, I seen this sign in the store. I thought, wow, I'm just gonna try to do something with this. So today we gonna get this guy going with the little truck with this load of carrots going on. I thought I might as well try with this white reef and see how everything goes. But I think it came out pretty good. Let's see what you guys think now, okay? Got these ribbons going right here. Yes, indeed. Okay, now we're gonna go down it and we're just gonna make one loop, one 12-inch loop right here. Okay, we got that like a right here. Look at that. Okay, got that going, and we're going to fasten it like so. Bam! Look at that. The color is so beautiful. Now, excuse me, we are going to attach some of this. I think we're going to start with this guy. Okay, this is a long one. Pretty. Look at that. The vine. We're going to start up here. We're going to put this right here. Take some more down here. Put them there like that. Then we're going to take the other half and just work our way around in here. Yeah, this came in one bunch. So many. I think it was only one I bought. Yep. It's good to buy, man. The pack, you know, where there's a lot of greenery or florals, because you could cut them up and you could come make a lot of stuff with them. And here's another. Excuse me, carrots. This one, we're gonna get this guy rolling up here and just work with them and try to get them balanced out. And okay, I like the crispiness, the sound. Ooh, okay, look at that. Now I think we're gonna get more up here. Let's put this, lift up our ribbon, see what we got. Need to get on right here. This is an easy wreath to make, you know, just get your greenery out and go to town with your greenery. Balance them out, and sometimes you need to step back and visualize, and there we go. Everything's looking great, looking great. There's a little bit more places right here. Get some down here. Bam. There. Wow, so beautiful. This is all this green, just with this green. Okay, here we go. Now, I think we're going to start with this other greenery I got right here. I like this one too. Brings out a lot of your wreaths because of the little white florals. Okay, get some of these going over here. Like that. Look at that. How beautiful. Like that. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. I think we got it right there. Here, I'm going to stop right here. Ay, ay, ay. So I'm going to put some of our geraniums in here. We got these big old geraniums. We got to make some room for our geraniums, everybody. Okay, I think we're going to put one there. We got 3 of them. Beautiful color. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Look at. Ooh, what a difference those make. Look at that, everybody. Wow. So beautiful. You could mixture up the colors and wow. Okay. Let me see. Where else do we need some of this? Let's get this going over here. It's coming along pretty good, huh? I'm trying, you know, and we're all learning together to make these different crafts. And I appreciate you guys' comments, you know, help me, you know, give me more confidence or tell me suggestions, you know. Here we go. Okay, I think we need some up here, huh? How's that doing up there, everybody? I think we need some up here. Let's put this. Hey, perfect. Look at this. Perfect, perfect. Let's just take this out up here. Ay, ay, ay. Get this going right in there. Look at that. Fits so perfect there. We got a carrot, so we can cover up with that, and we got our ribbon. Ay, 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 where are you? There we go. Look at that. Okay, now I think we got. Ooh, let's just get this little guy up in here. Bam, bam. Ooh. Now we got some of these beauties. All these different florals. Let's get these going. Watch what this color is going to do. It's just going to bring it all out. Thought these were neat to match, you know, with the kind of with the carrots and the wooded item. Okay, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Just brings it out more. Start getting some up here. Okay, we got one more, so we got to balance them out. And where can I put this, everybody? Right here. Okay. Now we got some of these blue ones. Look at that. Get some going over here. Can't forget about up here, huh? There. Get that. They have like a, what do you call it? Fern on there. I thought these are so pretty done. And out the blue in here. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. How's that looking, everybody? Thumbs up, or, you know, if you like, leave a comment, you know. And if you all enjoy my videos and have some inspiration or any ideas, you know, you could press that subscribe button and you will be helping my channel out. You will also be getting notified of my upcoming videos. And much thanks to that, everybody. So press that. Okay, we got this. Let me see. We got one more going over here. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Straighten up our bows. Look at that, everybody. Wow. Okay, look at that. Ooh. Now let's get the carrots going, everybody. And watch what this will do. See that space right there? What we're going to do is we're going to, bam, look at that. Just cover those up and bam. Bam, look at that. Ooh. Oh, my carrots are falling all over. Look at this. Bam, look at that. Wow. Oh my, this came out so nice, huh? Get my back there. I'm gonna get another one right here. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. How gorgeous is that, everybody? Okay, I think we all made another one today. There we go, look at that. Ooh, let's get this up so you all can see what we made today. Yes, indeed. Oh my, look at this, how beautiful. The colors, the carrots, just the variety of the florals. And wow, look at that, everybody. Boing. Hey, look at that. And there's another one. Wow, that came out just very good. Once again, everybody, I appreciate you coming to my channel. Stay tuned for a couple more. We still on our Easter going on. You all have a great day and happy Easter. Let's get that smile on. From Caldera Creative Creations, have a great day. Like and share. See ya.